Why does my engine knock while accelerating?
If it is, you're kind of fucked. As soon as you start getting knocking noise from your engine, that's kind of like the point of no return. A lot of times we see it's because people got way too long on an oil change, or they don't have oil in their engine at all. Some people decided, oh, well, doing an oil change will solve that, and sometimes that's just putting that thing right over the cliff here. So if you're getting a knocking noise from your engine, stop. Don't try to push it here. But more importantly here, it's normally related to some sort of oil issue.